Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Guys, my students, we are standing. I am standing to teach you online. So please be alert. How are you doing? You are simply waiting for my teaching. My dear students, I hope you will be better and ready for study. I am BP Singh. You know me. We are going to start teaching section sentence. You know, sentence is the backbone of any language. Without sentence, the knowledge of language is impossible. So, first of all, we should understand that what is sentence. When we define the definition of sentence, a group of words which are kept in a proper order and makes a complete sense called a sentence. प्यारे बच्चों, जैसे मैंने बताया कि शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जो एक सही क्रम में रखे गए हों, जिनका एक निश्चित अर्थ निकले, जिनका सही भावार्थ निकले, उसे ही वाक्य कहते हैं. When words are kept proper order and makes a complete sense, in that case there will be a sentence. Otherwise, in jumbled order, these words are kept in group, but they are not properly arranged. In that case, that would be a not sentence. Although it is a group of words, even though we cannot call it a sentence. I am going to giving you an example. Ram is writing a letter. Ram is writing a letter. This is a sentence because Ram subject, verb, auxiliary verb, main verb and object. These words are kept sequentially proper and makes a complete sentence. That is why this is a sentence. On the other hand, these words are same and we change their order. They are not kept in proper order as a letter. Ram is writing. This is also a group of words, even though this is not a sentence and this is a sentence, because in the case of any language, the first subject, after that verb and object should be used. In such matters, if we change their sequence, then although there is a group of words, but there will be not a sentence. I hope you understood it very well. And defining the sentence types, there are 4 types of sentence. Number 1, assertive or declarative sentence or statement. Another is interrogative sentence, and next imperative sentence, and other is exclamatory sentence. In old grammar, optative sentence was also mentioned, but in modern grammar, optative sentence is not in your course. The optative sentence is not to be studied. So, I am going to teach you the 4 main types of sentence. So, first, what is assertive or declarative or a statement? As by its means is very clear, when any action, any incident, any condition, any situation is declared, that is a declarative sentence. That is a statement. As take for example, Ram is writing a letter. The writing process of letter is described in this very sentence. On account of that, this is a declarative sentence or a statement or assertive sentence. Assertive sentence also subdivided into two parts. There are two sub-kinds of assertive sentence or declarative sentence or a statement. They are, number one, affirmative. Affirmative sentence. Second is negative sentence. Negative sentence. Now let us know about affirmative sentence. When any condition, any situation, any deed or any action is affirmed, confirmed or agreed, that sentence is affirmative sentence. And take a very simple example. This is a cow, this is a bag, I am going, you are eating. All these processes, the action is affirmed, is agreed. We are agree with that action or deed or any condition, situation, etc. On the other hand, negative sentence is that sentence where the condition, situation or deed or action is negotiate, is not agreed, not confirmed. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस जैसा मैंने बताया आपको कि किसी घटना, स्थिति, दशा, अवस्था आदि को स्वीकार किया जाता है. जैसे यह एक गाय है, यह एक पेन है, तो ये अभी मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिए. और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में इन्हीं को हम ले लें कि ये एक गाय नहीं है, ये एक कलम नहीं है, मैं एक अध्यापक नहीं हूं, तो ये सब नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हो गए. मेरे ख्याल से ये क्लियर हो गया होगा, समझ में आ गया होगा बच्चों. अगला जो सेंटेंस है वो है आपका इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. These are two sub-part of the assertive sentence, affirmative and negative. They are sub-part of assertive or declarative or statement. Is same. Second is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, a question is asked. A question is asked and question mark is used in very end of the sentence. As what is your name? This is an interrogative sentence. And we can take another example. Is he happy? Is he happy? Is also an interrogative sentence. But you notice the difference between the two sentences. Is he happy? This sentence can be answered in yes or no. And the first sentence, what is your name? This sentence cannot be answered in yes or no. इसका उत्तर हम यस या नो में, हाँ या ना में नहीं दे सकते हैं। इसका उत्तर हम हाँ या ना में दे सकते हैं। इज ही हैप्पी, क्या वो खुश है? तो है तो यस, और नहीं है तो नो। दी सेंटेंस which can be answered in yes or no are made by putting the auxiliary verb before the subject, as you notice here on the blackboard. And the sentence that cannot be answered in yes or no, we have to give proper answer. That type of sentence are made by interrogative words. What, where, when, why, are, etc. are interrogative words which are used in very beginning of the sentence. तो ये जो what, where, when, how, etc. वर्ड है, इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड है, ये वाक्य के बहुत शुरुआत में ही प्रयोग किए जाते हैं और वाक्य के अंत में प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह लगाया जाता है, जैसा कि इस वाक्य में दिया हुआ है। तो मैं समझ रहा हूं कि ये इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस आप समझ गए होंगे अच्छी तरीके से। द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस। द थर्ड वन इज imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, order, request, advise, etc. are given. As we can say, sit down, stand up, stand up. इसमें ऑर्डर दिया गया है, सिट डाउन बैठ जाओ, स्टैंड अप खड़े हो जाओ। एंड देन वी गो टू दी डॉक्टर। डॉक्टर नेवर ऑर्डर बट डॉक्टर ऑलवेज एडवाइज दैट सच प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मस्ट बी टेक इन दिस सीक्वेंस, यू आर एडवाइज। देन वी से अबाउट एडवाइज, समवन एडवाइज about our study and advice about our future. So such type of sentence are imperative sentence. Advise, the example of advice, please do your home work, because word please is used, so this is not order, this is advice. Please do your homework. Politely it is advised that we are advised to do our homework. Request, please give me your pen. Please is also used in this very sentence, but please in this second sentence is used when we are asking something for. जब हम किसी से कुछ मांग रहे हैं तब हम उससे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और प्लीज इसमें भी यूज कर रहे हैं, और उसमें हम किसी से कुछ चाह नहीं रहे हैं, उसको मशवरा दे रहे हैं, उसको गाइड कर रहे हैं। तो ऐसे सेंटेंस में ये एक एडवाइज है। तो मैं समझ रहा हूं कि इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस को आप लोग अच्छी तरीके से समझ रहे होंगे। बच्चों, दक्षता, हर्षित, बोलू, आज सभी समझ रहे और इस रेगुलर अटेंड करिए क्लास को। इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस, इफ यू फाइंड एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टी इन माय टीचिंग, यू कैन आस्क विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन। आपको अगर कोई कठिनाई लग रही हो तो आप ऑनलाइन रहते हैं तो बिना किसी संकोच के आप पूछ सकते हो. आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम प्रॉपरली. तो यू never need to be worry about that I will not help you in this sequence. तो मैं इस मामले में आपकी पूरी सहायता करने के लिए तत्पर हूं और आप अच्छे तरीके से pay your attention towards study and regularly be regular to the class and be regular to your work and be regular to online teaching. Next is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence वो और sudden expression of hearty feelings are expressed in this very sentence. And sometimes there becomes a succession of interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. To discriminate this difference between interrogative and exclamatory sentence, you should always keep in mind that in very end of the exclamatory sentence mark of exclamation this is used, and case of interrogative sentence mark of interrogation is used in the very end of the interrogative sentence. So this is the main difference. How beautiful is the rain? How beautiful is the rain. तो यहां पर भी एक्सक्लेमेशन लगा सकते हैं और यहां पर भी. तो दिस इज एन exclamatory sentence. You can make a mistake to understanding that how is used, so it is an interrogative sentence, but it is not interrogative sentence, it is exclamatory sentence, because the sudden feelings are expressed in a very magical effect. बड़ी जादुई तरीके से भावनाओं को एकाएक प्रकट होना, चाहे उसमें हर्ष हो या विषाद हो, इसमें दुख और सुख दोनों को प्रकट किया जाता है. तो ये जो दुख या सुख की भावनाएं हैं वो दोनों का हृदय से प्रभावित होती हैं, हृदय को प्रभावित करती हैं, इसलिए एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस है. तो उसमें वो हाउ, अलास, हुर्रा, these words are also used. We say हुर्रा, we won the मैच, हमने मैच जीत लिया है. तो इसमें प्रसन्नता की बात है. और दूसरी तरफ हम कहते हैं अलास ही इज डेड, अरे वह मर गया. तो इन दोनों सेंटेंस में ये आपका एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस है, क्योंकि एक में हर्ष और एक में विषाद, किसी में प्रसन्नता, किसी में दुख आदि हृदय की भावनाओं का जब एकाएक प्रकट होना पाया जाता है तो ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस या इन्हें हिंदी में बोलते हैं विस्मयादि बोधक वाक्य. तो स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक टुडे यू लर्न वेरी बिगिनिंग व्हाट इज सेंटेंस एंड टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस, एंड the types of sentence are very clearly expressed by me, and I tried my best to make you to understand the sentence, the very section sentence and types of sentence, and I described about them very clearly. Even though if you find any kind of difficulty, you revise and you can ask in the next section next time when I will teach you the next lesson. Thank you very much.